Hello everybody, assalamu alaikum. In this video I will teach you how to download and go through the installation steps for Codeblox. Codeblox is an open resource for creating C++ and other programming languages. Go through any search engines, just write download Codeblox, okay, and then you'll see the first link here for downloading. This is a free program, so I will go through this. You will see the following website, and I want to go through the download the binary. I will click this link, download the binary release. Okay, we have other than one version of Codeblox, depend on the platform that you want to apply or to install. Windows XP, Vista 7, 8, 10 version you can install, or Linux 32 or and 64-bit, and the Mac operating system. In my machine I have Windows 10, so I want to go through one of the installation here. Yes, I want to install the fourth one, this one, as you see here. This one I will go through this step. So this link for MINGW setup, click it once, and then page for download this version. As you see here, down here, the download is starting now. Okay, after finishing, so waiting for this, I will go through the steps now. Click next, okay, and as you see here, we want to about 253 megabytes space required. Okay, install. Now the files are extracted, and as you see here, some icon is created in the desktop. Okay, do you want to run Codeblox? Yes. I will click next and finish for this, and now Codeblox is going to run this version 17.12. This is the interface of Codeblox. Let us just make some simple program in C++. So I will go to File, and here I will choose File New, and we have more than one option. We can go to Project or File to create let us create a simple file, and we have this message as the Codeblox. You can use it for building more than one type of programming language like C++, Fortran, and other. I want to just go through the C++ source code. Okay, go next, choose the C++ here, not C. C is a procedural programming language. C++ is a procedural programming language and object-oriented programming language. So C++ have advanced on C. Okay, click next, choose the file path and the name of the program that you want to add. I will choose it, and then select some name for my first program. I will just said okay, first. Here I use the following name, okay, and then save, and then finish. So as you see here, we have the number here. We want to write the code here. Let us just write a very simple code. I will said okay, include IO stream, and using okay, name space standard I will make integer main. This is the main program. Open a parenthesis, and inside I will use some command here, cout, for showing something on the console. I want just make it like this, and on double quotation I will write my message like welcome to my first program in C++. Okay, and I have to put a semicolon at the end of this statement. I have to choose return, okay, 0. Okay, before I just go through running this program, I just want to describe some terms here. What the meaning of include here? Include means I want to include some library, some predefined library in C++. What is the name of this library? My library is IO stream. IO stream means input output stream. That commands that use to input something on your program or to output other things in your program. Okay, another thing is the using namespace standards. You have to use some names for variables, so these names will be covered on some space. So in our code here, we will use the standards for the naming for variables and others. Integer main means our program will be with the type int. Int means integer, and return this program will return when it is finished 0. This is like a stop statement, but when it will stop in the console when it just reach the return statement. Okay, I will save this code now. I will save this code, save all. What happens now when I just use this save all? If we return to the CP folder that we save, you will see the following file. This is the code file. As you see, the extension is CPP. CPP means C++. What is the name of this code? First. So when I just save it, this means what? I save it as a code, as a text. Now I want to run it. We want to build a program to run on our machine. So I will choose this. I will choose this. You can choose build first, then run, or you can build and run directly. Let us just click here. As you see here, this is the console, and this is the results, our result here. Welcome to my first program in C++. And the other text, this is just for returning. As we said, the return 0 means I want to stop this program. So press any key to continue. So I just click the space bar or any key. You can return to your program. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Welcome.